Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm not going to film myself today because I just woke up and I'm wearing a teddy bear yellow pajama. So, today I'm going to show you a really cool eraser tool effect that maybe you knew, maybe you didn't. Anyways, it's pretty cool. So, let's say you want to make some clouds, and I'm going to do that by making a bunch of ovals and circles just randomly. Don't come at me. Okay, here's my cloud. Now I want the bottom to be flat. What I would usually do was grab the rectangle tool, make the rectangle, and then either with the shape builder tool or with some pathfinder options, remove the bottom section of the clouds. But I found out there's this really easy way, and that is you select all your circles, you grab the eraser tool, which is this one. Otherwise you can just press shift and the letter E. Now if you just click and drag, it'll erase parts of your shape, but it won't do it like as a straight line. What you have to do is hold down shift and alt or option. You click and drag, it'll make this sort of like square. As you release, it will have deleted the bottom part of your clouds in a straight line. Then you can just grab the shape builder tool and merge the rest of the shapes you got together. Anyway, this is basically it. I feel like it's really cool. I didn't really know about it, I knew about it, but I never actually used it. So it's a really cool effect. It's so easy. It's super quick. And you get these straight lines deleted so much faster than if you do it with the shape builder tool or with some pathfinder options or whatever. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. Make sure to subscribe, comment what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.